Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Avante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Evan Chait here. I want to teach you a myofascial technique to open up C4, C5 cervical vertebra. Now from here, we're going to get onto our back. We want our feet turned out or everted. See, my feet are turned out versus turned in. Feet turned out. Now from here, we're going to tuck our chin down. We're going to look down between the legs. From here, I would like to have your back as flat as possible. So if your back starts arching, get the legs up a little bit higher. Now from here, we're going to press up and turn the palms out. In, out. And by me turning out like this, it's depressing my shoulder blades. And now tuck your chin and look between your feet. And the key here is to breathe. So I want you to breathing 6 to 10 breaths from the nose only. In from the nose, out from the nose. Good. And I want you doing that at home a couple times throughout the day. That's going to decompress C4, C5 cervical vertebra.